Berlin is a city full of history, culture, and energy. It is a place where the past and present meet in a unique way. From impressive monuments to modern attractions, Berlin offers something for everyone. You can explore historic sites, enjoy art and music, or relax in beautiful parks. The city is known for its vibrant neighborhoods, bustling streets, and welcoming atmosphere. Berlin promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Brandenburg Gate is an iconic symbol of Berlin and German history. This impressive neoclassical structure has witnessed many historic events over the centuries. Its tall columns and grand design make it a perfect spot for photos. Visitors can walk around, admire the details, and feel the energy of the city. The area around the gate is lively, with streets, cafes, and cultural landmarks nearby, offering a full Berlin experience. The Reichstag Building is a stunning piece of Berlin's history and architecture. Its glass dome allows natural light inside and offers panoramic views of the city. Visitors can explore the modern and historic elements, learning about Germany's political past. The building combines history, culture, and innovation. Walking around, you can appreciate the intricate details of its facade and feel the importance of this landmark in shaping Berlin's story. Museum Island is a cultural treasure in the heart of Berlin, home to several world-class museums. It showcases art, history, and archaeology from ancient times to the modern era. Visitors can explore stunning collections, admire architecture, and enjoy peaceful walks along the river. Each museum has its own unique charm, offering something new at every turn. Museum Island is a perfect destination for anyone who loves culture and history. Berlin Cathedral is a magnificent landmark known for its impressive dome and rich history. Inside, visitors can admire stunning architecture, intricate artwork, and beautiful stained glass windows. The cathedral also offers panoramic views of the city from the dome. Walking through its grand halls, you can feel the sense of history and culture that has shaped Berlin over the centuries. It is a must-see for anyone exploring the city. East Side Gallery is a vibrant open-air gallery along the Berlin Wall, covered in colorful murals and artwork. Each painting tells a story of freedom, history, and hope. Walking along this long stretch, visitors can see how art transforms history into a powerful visual experience. The gallery is lively and inspiring, attracting photographers, art lovers, and travelers from around the world who want to connect with Berlin's unique past and creative spirit. The Berlin Wall Memorial is a powerful reminder of the city's divided past. Visitors can see preserved sections of the wall, watchtowers, and informative displays. Walking along the memorial, you can learn about the stories of families, freedom, and resilience. The area offers a quiet, reflective atmosphere, giving a deeper understanding of Berlin's history. It is both educational and moving, showing how the city has transformed over the decades. The Holocaust Memorial is a striking tribute to the victims of history. Its field of concrete blocks creates a solemn and reflective space. Walking through the memorial, visitors can feel the weight of remembrance and respect. The design encourages quiet reflection, and the nearby information center provides stories and historical context. It is a powerful place to honor memory, understand the past, and connect with Berlin's history in a meaningful way. Checkpoint Charlie is one of Berlin's most famous Cold War landmarks. It was a key crossing point between East and West Berlin. Today, visitors can see the replica guardhouse, informative displays, and photos that tell stories of escape and tension. The area is lively, with museums and exhibitions nearby. Walking around, you can feel the historical significance and imagine the dramatic moments that once took place at this iconic site. Potsdamer Platz is a modern hub of Berlin, known for its skyscrapers, shops, and entertainment. The area combines contemporary architecture with lively streets full of restaurants and cinemas. Visitors can enjoy shopping, dining, or simply walking around to experience the city's energy. It is a symbol of Berlin's transformation and creativity. The square is always bustling, making it a perfect spot to see the city's dynamic side and vibrant urban life. Alexanderplatz is a lively square in Berlin, surrounded by shops, restaurants, and historic buildings. At its center, the iconic TV tower rises high, offering panoramic views of the city. Visitors can enjoy shopping, dining, or simply walking around to soak in the atmosphere. The combination of modern energy and historic charm makes this area a favorite for locals and tourists alike. The TV tower provides a unique perspective, showing Berlin from above.